Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're stepping into the future of British performance, where elegance meets adrenaline. This is the 2026 Jaguar GT. A name that doesn't just roll off the tongue, it growls through it. And believe us, the growl is back. The Jaguar GT isn't just a new grand tourer. It's a bold statement, a fierce comeback, a reminder that while trends may shift, true legends evolve without losing their soul. In an era where electric silence is becoming the new normal, Jaguar
lines in a wider stance, framed by a pair of ultra-slim pixel LED headlights that give the car a predatory look, as if it's ready to pounce. The lower bumper has been sculpted aggressively, with active aerodynamic channels that manage airflow perfectly at speed. A carbon fiber front splitter doesn't just add style, it works in harmony with the aero system to deliver downforce and stability at high speeds. From the very first look, the GT feels both elegant and intimidating, a perfect balance of Jaguar's heritage and its future.
Walking but dialed in for the 2026 world of performance luxury. Now, let's talk about what really matters, what's under the skin. The 2026 Jaguar GT comes with two distinct heartbeats. First, a twin turbocharged inline-six mild hybrid producing around 550 horsepower. It's pure mechanical symphony, rev-happy, torque-rich, and perfectly mated to an 8-speed ZF automatic that shifts like it can read your mind. But for those who want to whisper through the city and scream on the mountain pass, Jaguar is also offering a dual-motor electric variant. That version delivers a brutal 750 horsepower with all-wheel torque vectoring. 0 to 60, just under 3 seconds. Silent, yes, but make no mistake, it's a predator. The chassis is all new. Lightweight carbon-infused architecture with adaptive suspension that adjusts in milliseconds. Jaguar has mastered the balance between grand touring comfort and track day sharpness. One moment you're gliding down the coast in sublime silence, and the next, you're pinned to your seat carving apexes with surgical precision. Rear-wheel steering comes standard, giving this GT both agility in the city and high-speed stability on the Autobahn. It's no longer a debate, this is the most dynamically capable Jaguar GT ever built. Inside, Jaguar's philosophy is simple: no clutter, no distraction, just an immersive experience. The cabin cocoons the driver in premium leather, sustainably sourced materials, and a clean digital interface powered by the next General JLR Pivi Pro system. The 14.8-inch curved OLED screen is crystal clear, intuitive, and, yes, finally fast enough to compete with the Germans. But what sets this cabin apart isn't just the tech, it's the craftsmanship. Every stitch, every touchpoint, feels considered. It's like the cockpit of a private jet, only faster. And then there's the sound. The gas-powered version retains a thoroughly engineered exhaust note, raspy, snarling, unapologetically Jaguar. But even the EV model hasn't been left mute. Jaguar worked with audio engineers and former F1 drivers to craft a synthetic performance sound that responds to throttle inputs, gear shifts, and road conditions. It's not trying to fake it, it's creating its own identity. And somehow, it works. Of course, no modern GT would be complete without a suite of AI-assisted driver aids. From adaptive cruise with lane learning to real-time suspension tuning based on road scanning, the Jaguar GT is as smart as it is fast. But the best part, all of it can be turned off. Jaguar knows its audience. It knows that when the road opens up, real drivers want real control. Charging the electric variant, thanks to an 800-volt architecture, 10 to 80% takes just 18 minutes. Range is estimated at 420 miles, which means you can actually take this on a weekend getaway without planning your life around charging stations. And with Jaguar's new GT Lounge membership, owners get exclusive access to luxury charging lounges across Europe and North America. It's more than a car, it's a lifestyle. This car isn't just about numbers or lap times. It's about emotion, presence, drama. The 2026 Jaguar GT doesn't just compete, it disrupts. It doesn't just follow, it leads, in its own refined, British way. This isn't a Tesla killer or a Porsche rival. It's a Jaguar, reborn for a new era. And here's the thing, Jaguar could have played it safe. They could have leaned into full electrification and quiet luxury. But they didn't. They went bold. They blended heritage with innovation. They gave us a grand tourer that makes your heart race before you even touch the start button. So, is this the return of Jaguar as a true performance icon? From where we're standing and driving, it sure feels like it. That's all for today on Rolling Legends. If the 2026 Jaguar GT stirred something in you, hit that like button, subscribe for more stories from the fast lane, and let us know in the comments, would you take the petrol version, or go all in on the electric GT? Until next time, keep it legendary.